When I started this channel, I had the idea of sharing what I have learned, and I think that is the first thing you see when you visit my channel or the homepage URL of this channel. Now I'm going to do this video without a script because I want to talk openly about things I have done on this channel and what I intend to do. Now, after trying several things, doing things like Excel tutorials, Microsoft Word tutorials, going Google workspace tutorials, we have done Gmail, I've done Google Docs, I've done Google Sheets, slides, and all other Google Workspace applications. I've also actually tried things like reviews of a few items I've bought here and there, a microphone, done something on a headphone, I've done something on like an audio interface. Now I think it's time I introduced something slightly new. A few days ago I created this video on like how to do a team member, how to add a team member to a WordPress website. Now this was when I was requested by a client or someone I had done a website for, and they wanted like a guide that can help them be able to manage the website and edit it on their own. And then I thought, I've had so many people contact me about wanting to manage their websites or do a few things here and there on their WordPress websites and also maybe Shopify website. So I have decided to start gradually introducing WordPress tutorials. It doesn't mean I'll stop what I've been doing. I will not stop what I've been doing. I will definitely continue providing solutions. Like if there is a new feature in Google Workspace, I'll introduce it. If there is a new design tool that I think you should know or should use, or if there's anything disturbing or maybe a little bit too technical for just you to understand as a user and to try to apply in your day-to-day work or life, then I will definitely or be very willing to create a tutorial for the same. But I'm going to introduce these WordPress or web building tutorials because I believe in the business world, everybody reaches at a point where they want to go like digital. They want to transform from things like just selling locally or doing social media selling like on pages like Instagram and Facebook, and they want to transition to websites. They want like a wider audience, or maybe want to sell from maybe a much more wider space coverage. Now, when you create a website or when you pay someone to create a website for you, there are certain things that you'd want to do but on your own. Like you don't have to like pay all the time to have people do these things for you. So that's why I think it is important to start creating these tutorials, simple tutorials like page creation, simple tutorials like maybe adding and updating an article. By the way, I have created another channel where I'll be teaching digital marketing. This is something that I've done for a number of times, things like Google ads, Facebook ads, and search engine optimization. There is a link to the channel in the description. You can check it out. Now, as I was saying, if you have a website, not everything should be done for you by another person, because at times it means you have to incur certain cost and you'll not be able to do that all the time. So I think it is important if I start giving this simple and basic tutorials, clearly like explained tutorials that can help you do some things by yourself if you have the time. If you don't have the time and you have the money, of course you can like assign it to someone else and pay them something little. I'm always open to that as well. If you need me, you can just contact me. But these tutorials will help you like reduce that amount of money spent on keeping your website up. If somebody just does blogging and for a passion or interest, you have a website on Blogger for instance, you need to be able to do these things on your own and cut out on that expenditure. So you tune in, you can subscribe to the channel, you can turn the notifications on so that whenever I upload a video tutorial that talks about how to deal with your WordPress website, then you would be the first person to see it. And if you want any, or if you want me to create any guide on any topic in relation to web development or marketing, you just drop it for me in the comment and then I'll be glad to help and create something. Any question at all, you can even help me like draft ideas, because these videos are created for you. They are not for me, they are created for you. And if you can help me like come up with those ideas or do things that you actually want, instead of me creating things that I think you want that are not going to help you, that would be very helpful because we'll be helping each other move on. So if you're someone who's owns a website or plans to like own a website in future, this is going to be the content for you. And the best thing you can do right now is subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification, and then you'll get updated when these videos are uploaded.